Alright guys, so we're going to start cleaning up the car quite a bit. We already washed the outside, but what we're going to go ahead and do is actually take out the seats front and back. And the reason we're going to do that is we're going to go ahead and fabric paint the stripe that you see in the center of the Mach 1 style. That stripe's been kind of synonymous with the Mach 1 Mustangs since 1969. We obviously have that in our other 69 Mustang car with the red stripe on the seats as well as the red floor mats. Kind of just the quintessential style of it. The original Mach 1s for these years came with kind of a silver graphite color stripe. That was the other color that they would have offered on different color schemes. But for the schemes that we're going along with this one, we're going to go ahead and swap it over. Now, I would normally just change all of the upholstery, but because this car is so low mileage and the seats are barely worn, just the driver's seat's got a little bit of showing of wear, it just doesn't really make a lot of sense. Most seat covers, full reupholstery seat covers, over $1,000, $1,500 sometimes, depending on the material you're going to get. For these, they do offer a TMI upholstery set that could easily be put onto this. The problem is it just doesn't make a lot of sense with how new these seats are. So we're going to go and just pull them out and mask off the seats. Same on the rear. Those will easily pull out a couple of bolts and clips and get those painted so that they match the floor mats that we'll be putting in here. And while we have these seats out, we're going to go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity to go ahead and clean the entire car. This is the first full detail clean that I've done on this, so I'm excited to be able to get all these pulled out. So let's go ahead and get these seats stripped out of here, front and back.